What we've got here is an Ebrake boot. These are out of a Lexus SC300 in 1994. And obviously the Ebrake is pretty scratched up and worn out, so he wants that redone back to new in that same factory oak color, but he wants to redo the boot in the same matching color. So we're going to do that, put these through our transformation, and we'll show you the results when they are done. We've got this 1994 Lexus SC300 Ebrake handle and Ebrake boot all finished out, back to factory new, with that one change that I mentioned earlier in the video, that he wanted to change the boot from black to oak to match his interior. So this is going to give the customer exactly what he was looking for. We got that nice stitching back to factory on it, and everything is going to fit perfectly. So that's what we do here at Craft Customs, and we can do the same for you on any of your leather interior pieces: steering wheels, gear shifts, e-brakes, boots, armrests, console covers, all of the above. So just reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, where you'll see thousands of pictures of projects just like this that we've done over the last 35 years. So we look forward to working with you.